Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I am working on a swap for a Facebook group. It's Crafty Crafts by Dina, Swaps and Things on Facebook. So the challenge is flat mail. I've never done flat mail. I'm going to attempt to make flat mails, and if you all want to join me, I'm going to try and walk you through it. I've not made one yet, and let's just start. I'm going to try and score at the 4. This will be a trial. Whoops. That is not good. Trial run, and if I don't like it, we can scrap this whole thing and start all over. So I just scored at the 4-inch mark, and I think I'm going to score also at the 8-inch mark. Okay, so now we have 3 panels, and I'm going to turn it. I'm going to turn it one time, and then I'm going to score at the, I'm going to go with the 4 again, and we'll see how that comes out. Okay, so we have our 3 folds, and then we have the 4-inch down here. I'm going to fold this back. That gives us one pocket, but it's on the inside. Now the key to this whole thing is staying flat, right? So this will be the outside cover. So I'm going to fold this way. So this is the front, and then this is the back. Now if I had some double-sided paper, that would help even more, but we'll see. Let's see what we come up with. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to fold my pocket back up. And okay. This is my pocket like that, right? And that gives us 8 inches. Now I want to test something. I have these envelopes from a friend who had gifted them to me. Look at that. Oh, perfect. Look at that. That works for me. So now I want to make an adjustment to my pocket because it's pushing this paper out. You can see right here. Move this out of the way now. All right, so now I want to trim, and I'm going to use this. I'm just going to cut a little triangle, like we're making those folders for like the traveler's notebook style. Yeah. Okay. There, that is much better. Okay. Now, it's key to get those burnished down real good. Right? So there's our cover. And I'm thinking I will just go ahead and cut this a little bit, this side pocket right here. Just a little bit. I don't like it sticking out. Okay. So now you see a little bit on the outside. Right there. Here's another pocket right here. And then we have this pocket, this in the back. But now I want to cover the inside, this white. Okay? I don't want to see all that white. So I'm going to find some thinner paper, lighter weight paper. So this is from the Walmart paper line. This is Girly Girl, and this has been in my stack for a long time already. But it comes in handy, especially when I need lightweight paper. Okay, so that's the one, I think. I think it is. Oh, no, there it is. Okay, this is very, very thin weight paper. I don't even know what weight this is. But we're going to go with the pink. And we're going to cut this off. Okay. Let's cut the tab off on the top. All right, so I'm going to use some tape. Now, if you use double-sided paper, this would have been one less step. But since I'm not, I don't have a lot of double-sided paper, which is okay, because there's still a lot of pretty paper to use. I'm going to go ahead and I think what I'll do is line that. Is not getting it stuck down before you get it lined up. So, already stuck. Make this straight. Lined up. As neat as it's gonna get. Right? Wish for the best. Alright. Like I said, if you use double-sided paper, you won't have to worry about this part. But, of course, with my luck, it's always one step harder. Alrighty, so we have that. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, so I did have a little bit of overhang on all these sides right here. Just gonna go ahead and cut the excess off. Oh, okay. There is our flap. And now I want to tape this side down. Actually, I don't want to tape it. I just want to use glue. Because the tape, whatever I put in the pocket, is going to stick to the tape on the inside. So I don't want that. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my glue. I've never done a flat mail challenge. So today is the day. And that's all I'm going to put glue on, is this edge right here. Okay. And then this one, just gonna let that dry for a minute. That going, and then we're gonna have this side. Actually, yeah guys, see that? There's some bubbling there. And that is what it looks like. So now I'm going to take it to the sewing machine. Alright guys, it's not the best stitching, but it'll do. So this is what I've got, and I think what I'll do is put my letter in the back here, and put some of the goodies into the pockets. Alright, so now we're going to decorate my front. So I think I'll do these two, right? I'll just go with it. We're gonna go with these. We're gonna make these score into rosettes. These are cute little frames. You can pass those on. Okay. Now I just need my score cutting board, and I need to cut them apart. Alright guys, I finished my not so flat mail, and this is what it came out like. So this is my cover, the front. I just put two of the cut aparts here. I put a border strip down the side here on near the binding. And I used some of my crepe paper ruffles on the front. And when you open it up, I have the two pockets, and then I added two more pockets on top of them, so you could see the little ephemera pieces on the front. And then I put the longer strips, border strips, into the deeper pocket. I made her some stitched ribbons, and I also made some ready to make rosettes. I just scored them and fold them in half, and it doesn't affect how they come out when you take it out to make the rosette. Okay, I'm trying to fix that because I don't want it to get folded in there. Alright, so these are just more of the sentiments and the cut aparts that we did earlier. And then you flip it over to the back, and I put some like tropical stickers and more of like frame cut aparts. And when you flip to the back side, I put rosettes, mini rosettes with the crepe paper. I already made these. These are part of my stash. So you get the mini ones and then the regular size. And then I made, I didn't make it. I pulled from my stash some doilies that I had ready to use. So this closes up like that. And then I have my ribbon here. The ribbon is going to go like this, and it'll go across this side, the back of this pocket right here, and it lines up perfect with the little ribbons that I made, the crepe paper ribbon. So I wanted it on top, but I was thinking about when I go to put it in the envelope, okay? So it's not going to work if I put it on there. So I'm going to somewhat tie it here on the side. And it's not, I'm not going to glue it to this little flat mail. I'm just going to leave it just like that. And everything's staying where it's supposed to be. It's nice and tight. And then tie my little ribbon. And this will lay right on the top. Just like that. Okay, and here is my envelope. Now, it's not flat anymore because of all the rosettes and everything, but once I get it in there and situate it in the envelope, you can squeeze the air out of it and it'll go just perfect, just like that. And the ribbon will just lay right there. Okay, just like that. And then seal it up. I'm not going to seal it yet because I still have to put my letter in there. It fits better. I just have to resituate some of the things because I opened it up. And so it will close. I just have to, like I said, finish fixing this to stay. Okay, so I'm gonna put my letter, and then I'll put the address, and I am done, and stick a bunch of stamps on here, and hopefully it makes it through the mail. So thank you guys for watching. I know this was a little bit longer than usual, but I appreciate you all watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.